Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope everybody's doing well. How's everybody doing? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Get some music on here. How's everybody doing? Tap in where you're at. We're going to definitely do some live trading here. See if we can get this Nas 100 to pull up to where we need to, and we're gonna scalp some future entries, some contracts. Uh, all right. So I'm going to jump in here what I'm looking at and kind of explain what's going on. Okay, I'm going to share my first screen here. Okay. So I trade with two different platforms right now. I trade with obviously the Trade of Eight platform, where obviously you see the Super Dom, and I also trade with. Hold on 1 minute here. What's going on, James? So this is Trade of Eight. Okay, so obviously you can see here this is the Super Dom. So this is obviously trading futures is you're trading contracts. You're not trading lots. Okay, so again, I do have a group of I do have a group of accounts. I have two accounts right now. I have a $50,000 account and I have a $100,000 account. And so I have those grouped together. So when I make one trade, that trade obviously copies over to obviously both. Okay. I will be adding a $100,000 account within the next 24 hours. Using Top Step, which is the prop firm that is linked below. Okay, I've actually just partnered with them. They actually are based here in Chicago, which is very exciting, and so really looking at really spending some time with them, and hanging out. I'm actually looking at some opportunities within Top Step, which would be great. I truly love trading. I really enjoy this. Again, guys, like making the transition from Forex to futures, it just made sense from a standpoint of just I wanted to trade. I didn't want to deal with this broker and that broker and these spreads and that spread, and again, just the lack of regulation in the forex market. And again, it all comes with just the popularity of the forex market, but it has to become a little more regulated in order to actually be consistent in allowing really, wealth generation out of it. Again, if you're trading your own account, great. You have a great broker, perfect, awesome. If you're getting withdrawals, perfect. I'm a prop firm trader. I enjoy trading other people's money. It just makes complete sense. There's no sense for me to lock up, thousands and thousands of dollars into an account, where again, like being able to trade someone else's money, getting 80-90% of that profit is huge. So again, what we're looking at right here, guys, is obviously we're looking at. Give me 1 second here. Let me just move this over real quick. Okay. So obviously what we're looking at here is we have two contracts. So we have two contracts on 100,000, one contract on the 50,000. Okay. So obviously what we did is we have a buy limit. We have a sell limit at 18,090. Okay. As we can see, and again, I'm going to kind of switch through different screens here. Okay. I'm going to switch through different screens here. Give me 1 second. Actually, I'm sorry. Give me 1 second here. All right, we're going to leave that there. All right, perfect. Okay, so we have two contracts here at 18,090. Okay, and that's going to be a sell limit. That's going to be a sell limit. Okay, two contracts, and I'm going to really look to fill that about 20 points. All right, and again, just absolutely amazing. We took a trade earlier. This is kind of what we've done so far. We're in total profit for the day, 11.55. Okay, we've lost no trades this morning. Okay, and again, you can see the trades here that we executed. We literally have only taken 4 trades, and we were in profit 11.55 this morning. Okay, and again, we're just simply scalping, guys. We have 103,000 equity on this one, and I think we have 51, almost 52,000 on the other one. All right, so let's break this down here. Okay. So again, we're just waiting for this thing to pull up. We're waiting for this thing to pull up here into our level. I am going to share. I'm going to share TradingView as well. Okay. What's cool about TradingView as well is you can actually execute trades right in TradingView with Trade-of-8. I really enjoy that. Again, I know that, obviously trading Forex, we weren't able to do so unless you had a broker that was, that you were able to connect to TradingView. But again, Trade-of-8 connects directly to TradingView. And so we can see this thing coming up now. And once it fills us, it'll say order filled. And we're literally about 20 points outside of our entry here. Okay. And we have 2 accounts here. Okay, we have 2 accounts here. Okay, this account and this account. And on this account here, this $100,000 account, we have 2 contracts that will open up. And then on the other 50,000, we have 1 contract that will open up. All right. Again, right now we're trading the Nasdaq, the Nasdaq 100. The reason why we trade the Nasdaq is 0.25 of a tick. Is $5. Okay, so literally 1 point move is a $20 is a $20 move. Okay, so again, it's huge. It's great in the sense of just being able to be able to move very rapidly, very quickly. What I also like is we can definitely trade. You can trade. So this here, YMH, this is the Dow Jones, but it's literally $5 per point. Okay, so would I rather get $5 per point or $20 per point? Okay, and again, obviously they move in the same direction. So that's why you don't see a lot of people trading the Dow on futures, just due to the fact that, again, it's 1 point is $5, okay, a contract. Where again, it's 0.25, 0.25 is a contract size on Nasdaq. All right, so again, literally 1 point move is $20. Okay, so it's huge. So again, we're getting ready to see this thing push up here, seeing this thing push up. And then what I will then do is I will then go into my Trade-of-8 and I will put my buy limit, because the way that it works is a buy cancels out a sell. So once you have a sell contract, okay, you'll then once you sell it, you'll buy it to then knock it out. Okay. And you'll see how we do that if we're able to get this filled. All right. But again, I've really enjoyed this. Again, taking a lot of limits, really just looking at areas, not necessarily doing a whole lot of market execution, but really looking at areas of, again, we're still trading under the 200, just like we did before. And we're looking at levels. Okay. We're looking at levels. So again, I wanted this thing to come up all the way to around the 100 area. I don't think that will do that. So again, I simply just set it here. And again, at the end of the day, if this thing pulls back to 100, it's a 10-point pullback. Not a huge deal. Okay, I can definitely handle that. Okay. Let's look at, and this is on the 15 chart. And you can kind of see what we're hitting here. So again, I'm looking for to get in at around this point here. Okay. I actually may move this up just a little bit, but again, we're about to get in right now. We're about to get in right now. We're about to get in right now. Okay, give me 1 second here. All right, so we're about to get in right now. This thing's about to fill. Okay, we're at 81. We're nine points outside of our entry. Okay, and then you will then see down here, you'll then see, our profit and loss. You'll then see our profit and loss meter, move. And then, like I said, once we're in this trade, I will then go in. I will then set my buy limit so that, about 20 points. And we will take these profits. And I honestly will probably be done for the day just because, again, we've had a great day so far. Any questions? Let's go. We're just being patient right now, guys. We're just being patient. The whole name of the game, whether you're trading futures, whether you're trading options, whether you're trading Forex, is it's all about patience, guys. It's all about just being patient, waiting for that right move. Okay. Again, we're going to scalp this market, but there's no hurry. There's absolutely no hurry. We have our scalp up here. We're ready. She comes into our zone. Boom. We're going to take the shot. Okay. So again, there's no rush. There's no hurry. Again, very similar to what we did before, guys. That's the whole thing, is just being patient. Just being patient in your move, being patient in your trades. But at the end of the day, like I said, guys, I've been at this futures now for about 30, 45 days. And like I said, before I really brought it to my team, I really wanted to make sure that it was legit. I really wanted to make sure that, I understood exactly what was going on. Obviously, right now, the prop firm that we are using is Top Step. Again, it's one step challenge. That's it. Very similar to obviously what we experienced with obviously our Forex prop firms. But again, the one thing is one step. And also, you have a 2,000, like on 100,000, for example, you have a $3,000 overall drawdown. Okay. And you have a 2,000 daily draw. Okay. So if you hit that 2,000 daily draw, your account is just stopped for the day. You don't lose your account. You still have $1,000 drawdown that you continue to trade on. And then obviously you can do a retake, things like that. But again, it's a one-step challenge, and you're funded. Okay. Profit target on a $100,000 account is $6,000. Okay. And again, like I said, guys, futures taps into the same exchange. Okay. When you trade future contracts, all future contracts are tapping into one exchange. It's not multiple different, that's why you again, this number is going to be accurate, whatever, trading broker that you're using doing futures, because again, you're tapping into the CME exchange. So again, guys, we're just waiting for this thing to be patient. We're just being patient here. We can look on the 5 minute. You can see on this 5 minute what this thing's done. Okay, we were climbing and she just dropped. She just massive drop. Okay, and again, it's all about just trapping this market. It's all about trapping this market. Okay, I was thinking about obviously opening up a maybe a buy limit here, but at the end of the day, okay, I'm not going to be risky right now. I don't have to be. I'm ahead on this account. I've had an amazing day so far. So right now, in order for me just to get into another trade, I'm just going to be just patient, just very patient. I don't have to get into another trade right now. So again, there's no reason for me to definitely put a buy limit here, and try to trap her. Okay. I also enjoy trading the 1 minute on this because at the end of the day, here's the deal, guys. You can see kind of where we're moving here. Okay. So let me grab this here. Okay, you can see kind of where we're moving and kind of where we're at. We've been consolidating here. We broke this here. Okay, we broke this here. We then retested this. Okay, then we came down here. We respected this. We respected this here. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a retest of this here. Okay, I may not get that full retest, and that's kind of what we're evaluating. This may be the better setup here at 62. Okay, 62 may be the better setup because again, we came here, we broke this level here, okay, and now we're just falling. All right, so let's go up to our higher time frame here. 62 at. Okay, we're going to move this sell limit down. To 65. Okay, modify order, 65. Okay, we're going to go into our other account here. Okay. We'll move this down to 65. Oh. Okay. So we are set up. So as you can see here on Tradeovate, it actually moved it as well. Okay. So we're waiting for her to pull up to the 65 and we're going to get in. Okay. So this minute, I really like this minute. I've actually been trading. So again, I may set up a sell stop. So if she jumps up here, I may set up a sell stop. Okay. At 18,024. 18,024, set up a sell stop because again, she actually broke that level. Okay, so now she's retesting that level. She's retesting this. Okay, so let's see if she pulls all the way up to our 65. Okay, let's see if she pulls all the way up to our 65. Okay, if she pulls up into this area here, okay, if she pulls up into this area here, like the 47 range, I will put a sell stop at 24. And we're going to see if we can just catch a quick bag, okay? We're going to put a sell stop. We're going to open up a contracted sell stop at 1824. 1824. We'll open up a sell stop once she climbs up about 20 points here, okay? Man, I hope everybody's been doing well. Hope everybody's been doing well. Hope everybody's been doing well. Again, guys, here's the deal. I've always been about showing people how to trade and teaching people how to trade, and helping people learn this skill set. This skill set has literally changed my life. And so, again, it's really honestly going into 2024, it is my main focus right now. It's going to open all the rest of the doors. It's going to allow me to buy the upcoming properties that we're wanting to purchase. It's going to allow us to travel the way that we want. It's going to allow us to make the business moves that we want to make. And again, guys, this is only the beginning of futures. Again, I am, looking at another partnership that will allow us to be able to open up 20 accounts at a time. That'll allow us to open up 20 accounts at a time and being able to just get a bag. So again, you open up 20 accounts, you literally taking one contract. I mean, again, over 20 accounts, it's a bag. It's a bag. Do you know what I mean? And again, being able to actually link those all into Tradeovate Copier, it's huge. It's massive. Okay. So again, we're waiting for this thing to pull up. Like I said, I'm going to set up a sell stop. Once we get up in this area here, once we get up into this area here, I will set a sell stop at 1824. And let me go out to, okay. So you can kind of see it a little bit better of what I have going on here. Okay, so again, obviously we had on the 1 minute chart, we had her trapped in here. Okay, we moved our sell limit down. Okay, we were at 90. I don't know that she's gonna come all the way up. So again, if she comes up into this area here, I will put a sell stop at 24 and just look for her to continue to fall and see if we can get a quick bag. So if we can get in at 24 and we can get this 25 point move, that is perfect. That is perfect. So again, guys, we're just being patient. We're just being patient right now. There is no rush. There is no hurry. Absolutely no rush at all. Hope everybody's doing amazing. Hope everybody's having an amazing week. We actually did great yesterday. Yesterday was a great day. So we're just waiting for this thing to pull up. Waiting for this thing to pull up for us. And again, guys, the channel is just going to continue to grow. Obviously, as we just continue to just drop content. Again, I know, obviously I was really just making a transition. I know that we started trading Forex at the beginning of the year. But again, guys, like I said, I was so tired of just, again, the meta quotes, the brokers leaving meta quotes. Then obviously, I'm a prop firm trader. And so again, prop firms making changes, no longer offering this broker, transitioning into this broker, then obviously, DX trade. I mean, again, it just became messy. And at the end of the day, I just want to trade. And so again, I just went into research mode, went into student mode, and just really said, like I need to learn something else to obviously hit these goals that I have. And I need to, look at other options and look at other opportunities, when it comes to trading. As again, I have these huge goals and I'm going to accomplish these goals. Again, just where we've landed is amazing. Again, just really looking forward to, really working with the community to obviously help people go out there and be successful in trading. All right, so this thing's continuing to fall. Like I said, guys, I'm not in any hurry to obviously get into a trade. As again, we've had a $1,100 day so far. I definitely see that we are kind of respecting this area here. I'm going to keep that sell limit, but again, I want her to pull up. I want her to pull up into this consolidation here. She pulls up in this consolidation, sell stop at 18,024. That's our move. And we're going to get a bag. Okay. Let's go out to this higher time frame, 5 minute. She's just dropping. I'm not going to scroll all the way over. Let's go to this 15 minute. I like this here. I like this. Let's move this down. Let's actually put it here. She's going to pull into this here. So let's leave this at 1037.50. 1037.50. Let's go to this one here. All right. All right, let's go. Big push up, big push up. Let's go. Pick us up. Come pick us up. Come pick us up. Let's go. Come pick us up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come pick us up. Let's go down. Let's go to this 15 minute. Let's see something here. Are we hitting something? We are hitting something right here. We've had a big drop. So here's the deal. Like if we put a fib on this drop here, Our entry is actually a little bit low, but we're gonna play with it. So we have a level right here. Okay, we have a level right here that we're breaking. Okay. So if we can pull up even into here, I will take a sell stop at that 61. But we need to pull up here. We need to pull up about 30 points. So again, guys, what we're looking at right now, we're looking at minis, NASDAQ 100 futures. Let's go. You can also trade, micros, which is obviously half of a mini. You're able to definitely do that as well. So again, like what I really like about futures, guys, is that you can really, really make it what you want to make of it. I definitely have the risk tolerance, for minis, and that's the contracts I trade. All right, we're gonna catch a bag here. All right. Let's go. Big push up. Let's go. Let's go. Big push up. Come on, baby. All right, we got a minute 40 left on this candle here. Like I said, guys, I was a little bit more aggressive this morning. We are about 1,100 up on this account, and so again, no need to be aggressive right now. I definitely want to be a little bit more patient for this last entry. So again, I'm just being patient right now. Just being patient. We moved this. This entry a couple times now. We did come all the way down from 90. Okay, we are at about we're about 10 right now. 18.010, 18.010, 18.010. Okay, so again, we need this thing to come up. Just opened up this new 15-minute candle. And again, guys, if I'm not able to get into a trade, I'm okay with that. If there's anything that I've learned, obviously, through this journey, it's patience. Patience, consistency, and just confidence. Just believing in yourself that you can win. Wow, she's falling. All right, let's see what's going on here. Let's go down to this higher time frame, the 15-minute. It's not a matter of if she's going to pull up. It's a matter of when she's going to pull up. She's going to pull up. She's just been on a big drop. Like, look at this. 15, 30, 45, hour 15-minute drop since opening bell. And again, guys, I'm not really looking at anything higher than the 15. Okay, obviously we're looking at the 5, the 1, the 15. Okay, those are kind of what we're looking at right now. Okay, this might be an area for us to play here. Okay, we just respected this. Okay, we broke through this here. We retested it. We came here. So again, this could possibly be a level right here that we play off of. Okay, and this is the next level here. Okay, so again, I'd like to see, I'm going to leave my sell limit, but if she comes up here, if she comes up into this 987 area, I will take a sell stop at the 17,968. 17,968 will be my next entry at a sell stop if she comes up into this 87 range. Let's go, big push. Come on, let's go US 30, big push. Let's go, big push up, let's go. Let's go, nasty 100, get up there, let's go, baby. Okay, this is a super dom here. This shows where we're seeing people put contracts. We're seeing contracts go crazy here. We look at all these contracts around this area here. So again, why don't we put a sell stop at N935? The reason being is I just don't know how much more she's going to fall. Do you know what I mean? So again, like, I want her to retest a little bit and then continue to drop. Okay? Obviously, she's made her move already. So again, to just continue to just, you know, hey, she's going to continue to move. I'd like to see her move up into a zone, retest a zone, and then, you know, take that entry there. Okay, at the break. All right. Again, just to kind of put a sell stop, you know, hoping that she continues to kind of just keep moving. I definitely, you know, don't want her to hit a position and then, you know, pull back. So I'd rather look at an area where she could possibly retrace to, and then, obviously she's already broke the zone. So again, look at a zone ahead that she will then continue to move into. Because the zone's already been broken. We're just looking to a retest of the zone, and then obviously continuance of the zone. And look at this. We have people buying the market right here. We have people buying the market We have buyers buying the market. Okay. Then we have contracts getting sold. We have contracts being sold. Okay. These are sellers. These are buyers. All right, let's look at something here. All right. All right, let's go. Pull up, baby. Let's go. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Ooh. Come on, Nasty 100. Pull up. Man, she just continued to fall. But this is a lot easier to trade. So this is a lot easier for us to trade because obviously there's support resistance. There's a lot of support resistance versus her just, you know, all-time high or all-time low. Do you know what I mean? So we could put a buy stop. We could put a buy limit at this low, 17,826. If she bounces off of it, boom. She bounced off of it, respected it here, and she shot to the moon. Okay, look what she did when she hit the high. Boom, retested it. Boom, fell. Okay, so again, like, we're just being patient right now, guys. And the reason we're being patient and just not, you know, renegading, just due to the fact that, again, we're $1,100 in profit right now. Okay. We don't need to get crazy right now. I'm looking for the right move. Okay, I'm looking for the right move. She's obviously coming up right now. Okay, let's jump to this 5 minute. Okay. 17,919 is a low. I'm going to play with this low, actually. I'm going to play with this low. I'm going to do a buy limit at the low. I'm going to do a buy limit at the low. I'm going to do a buy limit at the low. See if she comes down. Wait, hold on. Let me get out of this here. All right. We're pulling up right now. Look at that move. Let's go. Let's go. Pull up. Nasty 100. Let's go. Pull up, baby. All right. So if she comes down to our mark here, we will get in. We're about to get in right now. Order is about to be filled. Order filled. Boom. Order filled. Let's go. So as we can see here, guys, over here to the right, we have filled that order. Shows what we're negative right now. She obviously just continuing to fall. Okay, so again, hopefully we can get her to pull up from this level. Okay. Let's go. We're in profit right now. Let's go. Push up. Push up. Let's go. Let's go, NAS 100. Push up, baby. We're about to be in profit. Let's go. We're in profit. And I will close all of these. And even that sell limit, I'll close with this simple button right here. Okay, we are in profit. We get into profit about $400. I will close this trade. Boom. Boom. $840 profit. Let's go. Let's go. Just like that. Just like that. Let's go. Just like that. Just like that, guys. Just like that. So we're going to see if we can get into another trade. If not, honestly, we are done for the day. We are on one account. We're at see where we're at for the day. So on this account here, we are literally at 1,000. On this account here, we are at 1565. 1565 on one account and 1100 on the other. I think we're done for the day, guys. We're almost $3,000 for the day. $3,000 for the day. All right, guys. Hey, thank you guys so much for obviously joining me on this session. We were able to get into a trade. We took about a $900 bag, and we were in and out just like that. And again, guys, this is scalping. This is scalping futures. This is what I love to do. Obviously, we came from Forex, scalping US 30. But again, now getting the bag, NAS 100. Futures, baby. Let's go. We're up today almost $3,000. Again, just absolutely dominating, killing it. Again, just small entries, boom, in and out with the bag, and we're done. So again, thank you guys so much. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Appreciate you guys definitely tuning in, and again, thank you guys so much for the support. And obviously, as our mentors have said, I will see you guys at the top because the bottom's too crowded. We don't look down on anyone unless we're going to reach down and we're going to lift them up. And again, believing that we can is more profitable than believing that we can't. God bless. Have an amazing day. I will see you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye.